Over the course of a year, I made $11,400 as a DoorDash driver, mostly working 5-hour shifts 3 to 4 days a week. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how I did this, as well as explain the reality of being a part-time DoorDasher in 2023. Now, I started DoorDashing back in 2021, and during this time, the DoorDash platform was completely different. In 2021, having a low acceptance rate was the #1 way to make money. However, now in 2023, in most cities, having a low acceptance rate will actually limit the number of high-paying orders you get. And this is mainly due to the Priority Access program. Now, I do want to note that the DoorDash platform is constantly changing, and personally, as someone who's been dashing for 2 to 3 years, I would only advise being a DoorDasher part-time, as the pay continuously fluctuates. However, this is different from city to city. And if you're new to dashing in the first couple days, the first couple weeks, you will have to get a feel for your surrounding areas to truly understand when and where are the best times to dash. There are way more DoorDashers on the road than ever before, so the platform is much more competitive, but don't let this discourage you, as every city is different. I'm currently located in Florida, and where I dash in a residential zone, there are a lot of other dashers. However, if I'm willing to drive an hour out to UCF, which is one of the largest schools in the country, I'll actually get a lot more money and qualify for more promotions, as there are less dashers. Every city has its own pros and cons, and the only way to know if you'll truly make good money dashing is to just get out there and start doing it. Although DoorDash pay can be unpredictable, sometimes you can expect to make at least $16 to $20 an hour on average as a dasher when you implement specific strategies. Now, this has at least been my experience, as well as the experience of many of my peers. When you really break it down, you at least have to make $10 every 30 minutes or $6 every 15 minutes. Now, I did create a more in-depth video giving you guys the very best tips that you need to implement to maximize your profits as a DoorDash driver in 2023. This video will be linked right here. It will also be linked in the description as well. I will also put in the pinned comments the book of the week. If you found value in this video and want to know more about practical ways that you can make additional money in 2023 with just a couple hours a week, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Always remember that wisdom is free and knowledge is power. And until next time, take it easy.